Greetings, seekers of protocol wisdom and enthusiasts of lifelong learning. I extend a warm welcome to you. This is where we empower you to navigate the paths of protocol with finesse. My name is Minabai Sebofer, and I am a companion on this journey of continual growth. Today we focus on a pillar of success for protocol officers. And what's that pillar? Ongoing professional development. The world of protocol is ever evolving with new trends and practices emerging. Stagnation, they say, is the enemy of excellence. So what do we do to remedy this situation? This is where ongoing professional development steps in. What is professional development? Professional development at its core is about actively, intentionally, deliberately, and consciously seeking opportunities to enhance your knowledge and skills. It's a commitment to staying relevant and offering top-tier service in an ever-changing landscape. In the dynamic world of professional development, every step you take toward growth is an investment in your own potential. Whether you're networking with industry giants at conferences, diving deep into immersive workshops, or enriching your skills through online models, each endeavor fuels the fire of your personal and career advancement. Here are some golden rules to fuel your professional development journey. Number 1. Curate your path. Identify areas within protocol that you wish to strengthen and seek opportunities that align with your goals. Number 2. Network with intent. Conferences and workshops aren't just about learning, they are about connecting with like-minded professionals who share your passion. And number 3, embrace online learning. In today's digital age, webinars and online courses are treasure troves of knowledge accessible from everywhere, so make use of them. It's important to note that being a protocol officer is about perpetual growth, and your commitment to personal development paves the way for excellence. And that wraps up today's journey into the world of ongoing professional development. Now, if this video resonated with you, show your appreciation with a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more empowering insights to amplify your protocol journey. I leave on this note. Professional development isn't just a line on your resume. It's a transformative journey that amplifies your expertise, broadens your horizons, and refines your prowess. The world of possibilities expands as you learn, connect, and innovate. My name is Minabai Sebofer. I help organizations enhance professionalism in protocol and diplomatic practice, build sound organizational culture, and raise a robust consciousness of safety and security.